Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our previous videos, we learned how to keep a user logged in using Remember Me and cookies. But today, we are focusing on the other side of the coin, the logout process. A proper logout system is crucial for security. It is not just about redirecting the user. It is about completely destroying the server sessions and clearing the browser cookies. Today I am going to show you exactly how to wipe the slate clean so that no one can hijack a user's account after they leave. Let's get started. So this is my sign in page. First I input my email address and my password. Then I ticked on the Remember Me checkbox and sign in. Next, we turn into our home page and you can see I am signed in as a seller. When I click this cookie, you can see the skill shop. Remember, skill shop use email and skill shop use ID with PHP says ID. So now I click on my profile picture and then I click this sign out button. You can see I signed out. Then I click this cookie. You can see our cookies was deleted. So I am trying to go back my home page. You can see our profile image and my name was hidden and we can see the sign in and join format. So this is the logout process. Now let's turn into our code. In our header.php file, I created the drop down menu and I create dashboard, my profile and sign out. In this sign out, I use href for this and I link my logout process.php file to this sign out. This is my logout process.php file. First we call session start, then we set the $sign session array to empty and call session destroy. This tells the server to forget everything about this user current visit. So this is the destroying session part. And to remove the cookies from the user's computer, we set them again but with an expired time in the past by using time brackets and minus 3600, which is this part, and the browser realizes the cookies is invalid and deletes it immediately. Finally, we send the user back to index.php with a success message in the URL. This allows us to show a you have logged out alert if we went to. We also have our outcheck.php. This file runs in the background to see if a user should be logged in automatically. First, we check if a session is already active. If not, we start one. This prevents errors if multiple files try to start a session at once. And this requires once we bring in our database connection. Notice we use dir. This is a professional way to ensure the file path is always correct, regardless of where this script is included. Then the cookie check. The logic only starts if the browser has our two specific cookies, Skillshop remember and Skillshop user ID. If these are missing, the script does nothing. And next, token verification. We grab the user ID and the token from the cookies. Then we ask the database if they are a valid unexpired token for this user. we use password verify. We never store the actual token is in the database. We store hash. We compare the cookie token against that hash. This means even if a hacker sees your database, they can't steal the login tokens. And rebuilding the session. If the token is valid, we fetch the full user details, including their first name, last name, and account type, buyer or seller. We then rebuild the $sign session. We fill it with the user's ID, name, email, and role. From the user's perspective, they are suddenly logged in automatically. It is a seamless experience. And this query, delete from remember tokens. This is a very deep security step. Once a token is used to lock the user in, we delete it. This is called token rotation. It ensures that a single token cannot be used forever, protecting the user from replay attacks. What if the cookies are old or the token is wrong? Look at the button. We use set cookie with a negative time brackets and minus 3600 to delete those invalid cookies. This ensures our system stays clean and doesn't keep trying to log in with bad data. So this is the end of today's video, and thank you very much for staying with me, and I'll see you again with another video. Have a nice day all.